What's up everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. Welcome to another jump rope tutorial. Today we are going to focus on side swings. So let's begin. Before I start talking about this jump rope trick, let me show you how it looks. It is one of the easiest and one of the coolest jump rope trick which you can learn. You can combine this jump rope trick with other jump rope tricks in order to create new combinations. The interesting fact about this jump rope trick is that you don't even have to jump in its first revolution. Now I will tell you how to perform side swing. So let me clear it out that this is my left hand and this is my right hand. I'm right-handed, so I'll be swinging my rope to the right side. I'll start with the basic position, which is this, and I'll start swinging the rope to the right side, like this. Now you can clearly see that my right hand is at the top and my left hand is at the bottom, and my hands are swinging nearby my abdomen. You have to notice that, and they are quite close to each other, and I'm trying to create a shape of infinity while doing so. The second part of this jump rope trick is that I have to open up from my left side. Since I am swinging from right side, I'll open up my rope like this, and then I have to just perform a basic jump in order to complete this jump rope trick. Let me show you again. I'll start from the right side. My right hand is at the top, and then I'll open up from the left side like this, and I will be doing a basic jump in order to complete the jump rope trick. Now I'll show you the complete jump rope trick. I'll start again, swinging from right to left, open up from left side, perform basic jump, and then complete your side swing. Right now I just showed you how to perform this jump rope trick when you're right-handed or when your right hand is at the top. You can also perform this jump rope trick by keeping your left hand at the top or when you are left-handed. In order to do that, we'll start with the basic position, and we'll start swinging from the left side like this. And you can clearly see that my left hand is at the top and my right hand is at the bottom, and I'm swinging in the same pattern of infinity, and my hands are quite close nearby my abdomen. Now I'll open up from my right side like this. I'll show it to you again. Start swinging from left to right, open up from my right side. Now all I have to do is just to perform a basic jump and complete the jump rope trick. I'll do it again. I start swinging from left side, left to right, open up, and complete your jump rope trick. Now you might have noticed that there are two ways to perform side swing. In the first one, my right hand was at the top, and in the second one, my left hand was at the top. Now how to switch from one to another? Let me show you how to do that. I'll start with the right side. Now you can clearly see that my right hand is at the top, and I'm swinging the rope from right to left. So when I get to the left side, I'll just move my left hand at the top like this, and I'll keep on swinging from left to right. Now I'll switch it again, move my right hand at the top and keep swinging in order to perform different kind of side swing. After learning the basics of side swing, what you can do is you can improve further. You can increase the speed, and it will start to look much better than before. Or you can also combine this jump rope trick with others in order to create new combinations. Let me show you what I mean by that. I'll start with the slow speed first, and then I can increase the speed like this. And now let me show you the various combinations that you can perform. I'll start with a basic jump and then side swing and crisscross. In the end, I would like to draw your attention to some of the mistakes which beginners make. The first one is the starting position. So when you're trying to perform the side swing, this is your correct position when you start, and you start swinging the rope from right to left like this. And some of the beginners, when they start, they will start from this position when your rope is at the front side, and they will start swinging to the backward direction, which is totally a different jump rope trick. But here we are focusing on the side swing, so we'll start from the backward direction when your rope is at the back side. Now the second mistake which most of the beginners can avoid is the swinging pattern while performing side swing. What I mean by that is, when you start swinging your rope from one side to other, you can clearly see that my hands are quite close to each other, and you can avoid keeping them far away from each other. So that way it gets really hard to swing the jump rope. And other mistake which you can avoid is you need to keep your hands quite close to your abdomen. Now you can clearly see that I can swing the rope as fast as possible when my hands are quite close to my abdomen. But when they are near my chest, it gets really hard to swing this jump rope. You can avoid these subtle mistakes and you can jump rope faster, and you can also perform side swing much faster. So these were some of the mistakes which you can avoid and learn faster. I hope you find this video useful. I'll see you next time.